Well, this is the 2010 McHenry Kiwanis Soapbox Derby. It's sponsored by Heman Water Conditioning, Connecticut. And this is our 8th Derby, and I'm the Derby Director. Tonight is Tech Night, and all the cars are brought tonight to the McHenry East Campus High School, where they are disassembled to the point of being able to inspect all of the different components for compliance with the rules as well as safety.
Well, about the Soapbox Derby, it doesn't have any engines, but it only travels by gravity. And we're doing this, and in case you haven't noticed, if we win, we get to go to Ohio.
The more you turn, the slower you go, but if you keep it like straight in the right position, and if you're in the right position, then your car goes faster.
Turn it the other way.
We just weighed my car with me in it. We hit the exact weight, 102 pounds, and now we're gonna put our car on the racks. I'm gonna use my advantage since I'm a gymnast and I'm really flexible, so that's how we can get all the way down like they told us to.